because the guy who was handling the shoot got shot. He was dead. Shit was real there. That week, India was playing against England. Most dangerous slum in the world. ये मैंने सोचा था मैं जिम में पहनूंगा. मैं जिम में तो नहीं पहनता हूँ, हर जगह पहनता हूँ मैं. Hey guys, what's up? This is Amir Ali and you're watching me on iDiva Speak Easy. I'll start with these, the Yeezys. So they're the most comfortable and I love wearing them on anything. Like I'm a sneakers casual wear guy. Suits पे भी कभी कभार पहन लेता हूँ, shorts पे पहन लेता हूँ, denims पे पहन लेता हूँ. But why I find these the best because they're the most comfortable. The other pair of shoes are these Nike. I think I got these just as a standby for my other Jordan pairs. कि यार कभी वो खराब ना हो जाए तो मैं ये use करूँगा. But now these ones have my heart. These are the LVs. You all must have seen it in the store in the ads. बाकी सब मेरे heart के करीब है, ये मेरे pocket के करीब है. So I bought these. I bought these just couple of months back, and I love them. They're my favorite pairs right now that I love wearing. These are my off-whites. ये ऐसे है जब कुछ समझ में नहीं आता है क्या पहनूं. I wear these, and this is one of my favorites. They call Golden Goose. I've seen one of my idols, Shah Rukh Khan sahab, wearing them all the time. I always wanted a pair of Golden Goose, and these are the limited edition. Like अगर आप अंदर देखोगे तो only some 312 pairs made, and this is the 299th. एक ही story है. तो वो मैं story बताता हूँ. वो मैंने पहना नहीं है उसे. I think 7-8 साल 10 साल से पहना नहीं है. 7-8 साल से नहीं पहना है. मैं लंदन में था. These were my initial days of MAC. मुझे एक रिवर आइलैंड के जूते अच्छे लगे थे. एंड जो थे ये वाले. ओके, ये स्टाइल ही ऐसा है. ये ऐसा क्रैक है. द लेदर इज क्रैक एंड इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट लुकिंग. मैंने ऐसा कभी देखा नहीं था उस वक्त. एंड दैट वीक इंडिया वॉज प्लेइंग अगेंस्ट इंग्लैंड. सो द टिकट कॉस्ट was 25 pound for that day and the shoes were costing 25 pound. So जूते यहाँ पर है तो you understand what I did. And I didn't have enough money. So I bought the shoes. I didn't go for the India versus England at Lord's, and I still repent it because that moment will never come back. And I could never give up these shoes. I can throw anything, but I can't throw away these shoes. Television serials में से I think 2 shows which will be very close to me. One is रहने वाली मैलो की, which started my career. You know, something that you start in the beginning is always close to your heart. And अगर आप अपने बड़े मम्मी दादी उनको पूछोगे तो they'll remember this show. It was a Rajshri show. It was the beginning of my career, and I think that show got me on the Indian television map. And the other show which I love doing, and which is the longest show I've done. Otherwise मैं show से बहुत जल्दी बोर हो जाता था. Like 1 साल के बाद जो लोग 6-6 साल करते थे, हमने कैसे करते ये लोग. And there's one show which I did, FIR, which I did for about 4 years. That show was a picnic. I never realized I'm shooting. We used to just go there, have fun. My director, my co-stars were all mad, fab actors, and I used to just go there and have fun. No. I've never picked up a show that I regret doing because I'm very pakao like that. Before starting a show, before starting any work, I'll get into it completely. करना चाहिए नहीं करना चाहिए. 10 दिन I like मैं उसमें घुस जाता हूँ कि should I do, should I not. Once I get into a show, then I don't regret anything because I plan and I discuss within myself many a times I should do. My last show on TV, I wanted it to shut because my shoulder and my knee were really breaking. नाम नहीं लूँगा show का. But because of my injury, I wanted it to shut, but otherwise never. Villain, I think I'll pick up myself. I've done too many good boy roles in life, so people don't see me as that character. So I think I'll play a nice grey guy, the good guy. Good guy who's not played a good guy. What about the captain from Lutere, Barkat, who's the captain who's a pirate who's captured the ship? Earlier the reality shows were more real, I feel. I don't know. I'm sure now also it's real, but earlier it was more real. But that's not the secret. Let me think of a secret. हाँ, the secret. Okay, so when you see all those, when you see us clapping and cheering and when others are performing and all those things, so हम करते हैं उस वक्त, लेकिन वो शूट नहीं होता है. वो शूट पोस्ट शूट के बाद होता है कि देन ऑन द माइक दे से ओके दिस पर्सन इज परफॉर्मिंग, सो वी इनैक्टिंग इट ऑल ओवर अगेन कि ये एंड दिस एंड दैट. व्हेन वी आर डूइंग इट एक्चुअली उस वक्त द कैमरा इज नॉट ऑन अस, द कैमरा इज ऑन अस व्हेन वी जस्ट दिस पर्सन इज स्पीकिंग ऑन द माइक एंड वी आर एक्टिंग ऑन इट. No, it's a good thing also, no? It's the way you are. It's tough. It gets tougher when those guys can portray you in a certain way. So that's a little tricky because then you're relying on the makers to portray you in a certain way. Because, for example, any reality show shoot 12 घंटे 18 घंटे हो रहा है and दिखा रहे वो 1 घंटा. So it just depends what they want to show and what they want to shoot. नहीं वो सब बर्थडे विशेज़ और शादियों के विशेज़ और आज मेरे नेव्यू का बर्थडे ज़रा फ़ोन पे ज़रा वीडियो कॉल ज़रा कर दो उनको एंड स्टफ, ये सब बहुत होते हैं. I don't care. I only believe in what I'm getting and I deserve. I'd never check what the other person is getting. फ़ायदा ही नहीं ना, मतलब you have to be confident, that much confident about yourself that what you deserve you're getting. अब उसे कितना मिल रहा है, उसको कितना चाहिए, कौन सा रूम मिल रहा है, कौन सा वैन मिल रहा है. I always believe in asking and getting what I want. इस शूट का ना बिहाइंड द कैमरा एक खुद का शो बन सकता है कि क्या हुआ था. It's been so difficult from people being a production head being semi-kidnapped to the shooting just going on and on, from we getting stuck in Cape Town because of Omicron variant happening and we could not come back to India. Like literally 1 minute and how charter flights पकड़ के हम छुपके से इंडिया आए. Yeah, the location that we were shooting called Kailicha, you should Google about it. It's one of the most dangerous slum in the world. And we could not go and do a patchwork back because the guy who was handling the shoot got shot. He was dead. Shit was real there. And when you see the show, when you see the locations, you'll know what I'm saying. It's that. It was a very difficult show. It's the most difficult work I've ever done in my life. Bachchan Saab ke saath I'm doing something. I've been his fan all my life, from my childhood. I still remember watching Agnipath in the theatre. I'll tell you a story why actually I'm a huge fan. And I was in the stall and when he turns Vijay Dinar John and coins उड़े थे मेरे पीछे से and दाड़ गिरे थे and एक दो उठा लिया था and मैं बोला था यही मेरा हीरो है. नहीं उठाया नहीं था, I'm joking. So I've been a die-hard Bachchan fan. I've never worked with him. I've interacted with Shah Rukh sir, Salman sir in different phases of my life, but never got a chance to actually interact with Bachchan Saab. So that room I want to spread, I'm working with him and manifest it. Hey guys, thank you so much. This was me on Speak Easy. Don't forget to like, subscribe and
share and comment.
Share, comment. Bye.